Welcome to Field Notes. I'm Jennifer Bearden with the University of Florida IFAS Extension in Okaloosa County. It's sometimes hard to come up with something to talk about every week, so I took a look at my calendar to see what I've been up to lately that might be interesting to talk about. I've been checking watermelons lately. I know we're still months away from enjoying these sweet watermelons. They were planted several weeks ago and will continue to grow vine and start setting fruit in the next couple of weeks. I think that most consumers don't appreciate the time and effort and money that go into planting crops. These farmers spend a great deal of money to plant crops like watermelons. They tend to the crops by protecting them from pests and by supplying just the right amount of fertilizers. It takes months of diligent work and lots of money to get a good crop that they can sell. So support our local farmers when you can. These local watermelons will be ready probably in June and into July. So back to the fertilizers. I said that we supply just the right amount of fertilizers at the right time. How do we do this? Well, I check them during the season so that they can tailor how much fertilizer to apply to what the plants actually need. We do this by performing petiole sap tests regularly for the crops. Petioles are the stem that holds the leaf on the plant. I pick the most recently mature leaf on the plant and I cut that petiole from this leaf. I pull several of these from the field. I cut them up and put them into a garlic press. I squeeze the sap into a nitrate meter and a potassium meter. We have research-based charts that tell us what these numbers should be for each developmental stage of these crops. I like to say that this way we are spoon-feeding the crop exactly what the crop needs when it needs it. This is not only good for the plant, but it's good for the environment. We aren't applying excess fertilizers that will run off or leach into our water bodies. So I'll be checking watermelons and other crops like tomatoes for our farmers so that this summer you can enjoy fresh local watermelons and tomatoes. Dream of that fresh local produce, and I'll talk to y'all again next week.